How to remove any watermark with HitPaw. Go to hitpaw.com and download Watermark Remover for Windows or Mac. Once installed, open the program. Click Choose File or Remove Video or Photo Watermark, depending on your file type. Select the photo or video you want to clean. Now, highlight the watermark using the selection tool. You can resize or move the box to perfectly cover the watermark. Make sure it's only over the text or logo you want to erase. HitPaw gives you multiple AI-powered modes, smooth filing, age filing, or texture repair. Try each one if needed to get the cleanest result. Click Preview to see the result. If it looks good, hit Export and save it to your device. You now have a watermark-free file. And that's it.